have breaking news at the all-new Bradley Square Mall with amazing savings at some of the biggest names in business. Shoppers love the new cinema, restaurants, outdoor patio, and enhanced common areas. Bradley Square Mall welcomes their newest stores: Dunham Sports, Children's Place, Rue 21, Shoe Department Encore, Santa Fe Cattle Company, Bradley Square Carmike 12, Claire's, American Eagle Outfitters, and Bath & Body Works.
Look where it says Bed Bath & Beyond real big.
Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm your host Chris, and today we're at the Bradley Square Mall in Cleveland, Tennessee on the northern side of the city. In 1987, Crown American announced plans for a 511,000 square foot mall with a gross leasable area of 276,000 square feet. The mall was designed to include 4 department stores. JCPenney, Sears, and Kmart were the first stores to commit to the mall, followed shortly by Hess's. Construction began in July 1989 and was largely completed by fall 1990. Hess's and Sears opened in late 1990. The mall officially opened on February 13, 1991, along with JCPenney the same day. Kmart opened a month later in March 1981. In 1992, Hess's was rebranded as Profits. A minor renovation occurred in 1998, which included an expansion to the Kmart store. In 2003, Crown American was acquired by Priet, who sold the mall shortly afterward to Prime Retail. Profits became Belk shortly after in early 2005. addition featuring a theater fell through in 2008. Around this time, the mall began attracting non-traditional tenants, such as a gym, a martial arts studio, a playground, and a church. In December 2010, Shane Morrison purchased the mall from Prime Retail. In spring 2012, an $18 million renovation began, which included updated entrances, a Carmike theater, an expansion for Belk, and fresh coats of paint and minor interior changes. The project was completed in 2013. The same year, the Sears store closed and was soon replaced by Dunham Sports. Sears also opened a smaller hometown store within the mall near Kmart. In January 2016, Sears Holdings announced the closure of Kmart at the mall, and the Sears hometown store also closed around the same time. In 2016, it was announced that Kmart would be demolished to make way for an additional parking and a new shopping center. Two mall entrances and the part of the Kmart wing were demolished as part of the project. Demolition began in October 2018, and by late 2019, the new development named The Shops at Bradley Square opened, featuring retailers such as TJ Maxx, Ulta, PetSmart, Five Below, and more.
2020, it was announced that JCPenney would close its location by October 2020 as part of a plan to shutter 154 stores nationwide. Up my visit to Bradley Square Mall. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any memories you have in the mall, so leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for what's next.